In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Evernote. For those unfamiliar, Evernote is a popular note-taking application that allows you to keep track of your ideas, projects, and important documents all in one place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, Evernote can be a great tool in your productivity toolkit. Before we dive in, the first step is to visit the Evernote website. So, open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use, and type in evernote.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a couple of options. At the top right corner, there's a Login or Continue button. If you already have an Evernote account, simply click the Login option. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Enter those and click the Login button. For those of you who are new and don't have an account yet, you can use the Continue option. Clicking on Continue will guide you through the sign-up process. When prompted, you can create an account using your email or choose to sign up with Google if that's an option you prefer. Once you've successfully logged in or created a new account, you'll land on the Evernote dashboard. This is your home base where all your notes, notebooks, and reminders live. Here, you can start creating new notes, organize them into notebooks, and even set reminders for tasks and deadlines. One of the best things about Evernote is its accessibility. As mentioned, Evernote is completely accessible online, so there's no need to download or install anything on your device, which is great for those who want to save space or prefer using cloud-based applications. You can access your notes from any device with an internet connection, which means you can add, edit, or review your notes on your phone while commuting, and then pick up right where you left off on your computer at home. To start writing a note, simply look for the New Note button, usually found on the left side of the dashboard. Click it, and a blank note will appear. You can start typing right away. Evernote offers a range of formatting options to tailor your notes to your preference. You can add bullet points, images, and even record audio if typing isn't fast enough to capture your thoughts. So there you have it, a simple way to open and get started with Evernote. No downloads required. Remember, everything you've created or edited will be automatically saved and synced across all your devices, offering a seamless experience. Give it a try and see how it could help simplify your note-taking and organizational tasks. Thank you for joining me, and happy noting.